Hello, everybody. This is your Mortgage Guy, Brandon Rustpress. Before I tell you what the seminar is, I will tell you what it is not. It is not some dude on TikTok telling you why this is the hardest time ever to be alive. This is not the media telling you why this is the worst time to buy a house. I'm not going to add to the doom scroll you already have in your life. You have enough of that. Hopefully you've had enough of it. There are two paths you can take in life, right? There's the path where you hope you're prepared for the moment, and there's the path where you've done what it takes and controlled all the factors you need to control to be prepared for the moment, right? For all my first-time home buyers, or those who just have questions about the mortgage process related to home buying, this seminar is for you. This seminar contains information that will give you the ability to control the factors you need to control to ensure you get the keys at the closing table. If that's of great importance to you, jump in on this seminar. Have a great day.